Spatial Chat Tutorial for Beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Spatial Chat. Spatial Chat is a powerful and interactive platform for virtual collaboration and communication. It lets you communicate online in a new way where you can move around freely and talk to anyone you want, just like in real life. You can also share various types of content such as images, videos, links, whiteboards, and Google Docs. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the basics of Spatial Chat. We will show you how to create your own team and how to create a Spatial Chat space and invite people to it. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Spatial Chat, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Sign Up button. Upon clicking, you will be redirected to the registration page. On the registration page, you will find two options to sign up for a new account. You can choose to sign up with your Google account or with your email address. Select the option that suits your preferences and proceed accordingly. Once you have chosen your preferred sign-up method, you will need to provide additional information such as your name, company size, and the purpose of using Spatial Chat. This information helps personalize your experience and tailor the platform to your needs. After providing the necessary information, you will be taken to a page where you will have the option to join a space. If you wish to participate in a space, grant permission for your microphone and camera, and then click on the Join Space button. However, if you do not want to join a space at the moment, you can click on the Open Dashboard button located at the top right corner of the page. This will redirect you to your account dashboard. Once you log into your account dashboard, you will notice that the interface is designed to be simple and user-friendly. The dashboard features a left menu that consists of various tabs, each serving a specific purpose. The Last Visited tab allows you to conveniently view and access the spaces you have recently visited. From this section, you can create new spaces and teams, navigate through them, and quickly access spaces you have previously visited. Under the Weekly Demo tab, you can find weekly demos available in different languages such as English, Portuguese, Japanese, and more. This feature enables you to explore and participate in demos conducted regularly to enhance your understanding of Spatial Chat. The My Team tab is where you can create and manage your teams. Each team you create can have its own set of members, guests, and dedicated spaces. You have the ability to assign roles, adjust access types, and specify permissions for the individuals within your team, allowing for seamless collaboration and organization. If you want to create a new team, you can simply click on the Plus New Team tab, which provides a straightforward process for setting up a new team within your account. Additionally, at the top right corner of the dashboard, you will find options to access Help and manage your account. This includes accessing your profile, modifying account settings, and integrating Spatial Chat with other platforms or services as per your requirements. Overall, the dashboard provides an intuitive and well-organized interface that allows you to efficiently manage your spaces, teams, and account settings, ensuring a smooth and productive experience with Spatial Chat. Now, let's see how to create a new team in Spatial Chat. To create a new team in Spatial Chat, you have a couple of options depending on whether you already have a team or not. If you already have a team, it will be displayed in the left menu under the Your Teams section. However, if you haven't created a team yet, you can easily do so by clicking on the Plus New Team option located in the left menu under the Your Teams section. Upon clicking the Plus New Team option, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, enter your desired team name in the Team Name field and click Continue. Now, you will see that your new team has been created and it will be listed under the Your Team section in the left menu. From here, you can manage various aspects of your team, including settings, users, and plan details. If you click on Settings under your new team, you will be directed to your team's settings page. In this section, you can make changes such as renaming the team and changing the team's logo. Additionally, you have the option to leave the team or delete it if needed. Under the Users section, you can manage the users within your team. This includes inviting new users to join your team and assigning specific roles to each member. In the Plan Details section, you can view the details of your current plan. If you are using a free plan and wish to access additional features, you have the option to upgrade your account. Following these simple steps, you can easily create a new team in Spatial Chat. Now that you have learned how to create a new team in Spatial Chat, let's move on to creating a space within that team. Next, let's see how to create a new space in Spatial Chat. To create a new space in SpatialChat, you need to begin by selecting the team in which you want to create the space. To do this, navigate to the left menu and click on the name of the desired team. By clicking on the team name, you will be directed to that specific team's page. Within the team page, you will find a Create Space button. Click on this button to proceed with creating a new space. Upon clicking, a pop-up window will appear, presenting you with two options. The first option is to create a space from scratch by clicking on Create Default Space. This allows you to start with a blank canvas and build your space according to your preferences. Alternatively, if you wish to create a space using pre-built templates, you can explore different categories of templates available. These categories include remote office, virtual events, virtual education, and more. Select the category that aligns with your intended purpose and choose that specific template you want to work with. For example, in this tutorial, let's click on the Virtual Events category and select the Virtual Conference SpatialChat template. Hover over the template and an option to select will appear. Click on it to proceed with creating your new space based on the chosen template. In the following pop-up window, enter a name for your space in the Space Name field. You have the option to enable or disable the Add All Members feature by using the toggle button. Once you have entered the necessary information and made your selections, click on the Continue button. After clicking Continue, your new page will be created. You can locate the newly created space within the team you have selected, and it will be readily available for you to start customizing and utilizing according to your needs. By following these steps, you can easily create a new space in SpatialChat, whether starting from scratch or using pre-built templates. Next, let's see how to invite people to your space. To invite people to your space in SpatialChat, navigate to the team in which you have created the space. Once you are in the team, locate the Invite button and click on it. This will open up a menu with two options: inviting team members or guests. For this example, let's select team members to invite individuals who are already part of your team. After selecting team members, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, enter the email addresses of the members you wish to invite to the space. You can enter multiple email addresses, separating them with commas or semicolons. Once you have entered the email addresses, next you will have the option to assign roles to the invited members. Roles can include member, admin, space admin, or space moderator, depending on the level of access and permissions you want to grant them within the space. Additionally, you can choose the expiration time for the invitation link. This determines how long the link will remain valid for the invited team members to join the space. You can select a specific time frame, such as an hour, a day, or even a month. Once you have selected the roles and set the expiration time, you can copy the invitation link by clicking on the Copy Link option. The link will be copied to your clipboard, and you can now share this link with the people you wish to invite to your space, either by pasting it into an email, messaging platform, or any other appropriate communication method. With these simple steps, you can easily invite team members or guests to your space in SpatialChat, granting them access and defining their roles within the environment. This enables seamless collaboration and interaction within the shared space. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using SpatialChat. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.